How to log in into EasyJet Airlines Employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your EasyJet Employee account. So without any type writing, first step, search for EasyJet Airlines Employee Login. After you do that, you will see Jet's staff website here. Tap on Staff Travel. Here you can just head over to this website. Now, all you have to do is enter your employee number, whatever your employee number is, and then your PIN number. After you find, type in your PIN number, go to the CAPTCHA, and then tap on the login option. And then you'll get logged in into your account, and it's basically that simple. That's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. More upcoming tutorials, and bye-bye.